Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 12 of our Advent calendar unboxing. So I'm having so much fun with this and I hope you are too. So let's just quickly poke this through and then pull it out. And I finally learned on day 11, instead of sticking my finger in, which is hard, just kind of tilt it and it should slide right into my hand. And there we go. And we have Santa going for a few brews. Or I guess we could say this is hot chocolate with a lot of whipped cream on top. We'll say that. But he looks like he's going for a few brews here to me. He's super cute. Look how cute that is. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to stop talking, play some music for you guys, fast forward this while I work on it, and I'll come back and talk to you when it's done. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, I am back with my Santa Claus and his drinks. He's super cute. I gave him a gold keychain. This is how he looks. Just really, really adorable. So cute. Alright, so I am so enjoying this. I'm just having so much fun. I'm so glad that I got this. And I hope you're enjoying this content too. It's not easy to do the unboxing and the whip in progress, although I'm cheating by playing music and coming back at the end, and the completion. So I'm trying to do it every day, but I don't know how long I'll be able to hold this up, but I'm going to try to keep going, okay? All right, guys, I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things, and most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye, guys.